is that your train track you got for your birthday present?
Yeah.
You get from Grandma and Grandpa? It's pretty cool, bud. Chugga 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 chugga. Oh no, it crashed. Chugga 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 chugga.
Uh-oh, it broke. Ah, crashed. Uh-oh, it started to crash. That bridge. Oh no.
The bridge started to crash. Oh no. Let's fix this support piece right there. There we go. These are the reasons I like to work from home. So I get to play with Devon and hang out. What you doing? You trying to see the video? You trying to see the video?
Yeah.
We gotta wait till we're done with the video before you can see the video. Let me show me your train. Show me your train. That's pretty sweet. Chugga 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 chugga. Woo woo.
Ah! Don't crash.
Don't crash.
You just see it.
I just see it.
Don't
You gotta share, buddy. Let other people play with it too, right? Oh, open the bridge. The bridge is closed. There you go.
No, I don't go.
Hey, Devon, look at me. Look at me. Look at Daddy. Hey, buddy.
You just look at it.
That's not very nice. You have to let other people play with it too, right?
I can put it. This is not my toy. You can pretend.
I can pretend that it's my toy?
Yeah.
Can I play with it too?
No.
That's not very nice, Devon.
You can pretend.
Hey, I want to play with it too.
I can play with it.
You can play with it, but you gotta share too. You get it by other people's turns.
So I can play with it.
Yeah, you want to let Arya play with it too, that's right. But she has to learn how to be gentle so she doesn't break it. Yeah. You gonna go through the tunnel? Let's go through the tunnel. Ding, 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 ding. Uh-oh. Got off the tracks. Going through the tunnel. Ding, 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 ding. Made it.
Ding, 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 ding. Broke.
Pretty cool train, buddy.
Mm.
Pretty cool train. Hey, why don't you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
Yeah. All right.